Okay. Red, are you ready? I believe red, the other one is the missing robot. Okay, yeah. So, red's ready. I'll sync. Blue, are y'all ready? Autonomous for match 41. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see how this works out. 2587G quickly scores a cone. 1429. Can they release it in place? They do. They get the autonomous. Red gets the autonomous. 3, 2, 1, go. So red starts off with a lead, but blue's going to start building some cones on a base. Countdown with 90 seconds. And blue has got one in the 20. That matches red. There's 3 cones over there for red. And red does get the 20 if they can release. They get it done. Red with the lead now. 53 seconds left to go in this match. Red trying to make sure they don't knock anything off. 56-78 trying to get that blue mobile base, but it's in the way of 1429. Seconds left to go in this match. Red still with the lead, but blue's trying to catch up here with a third mobile goal. And can they get it scored? 19 seconds left to go. $14.29B trying to get one up top. And they get it done. Nicely done there. There's another bonus point. 3, 2, 1. And they get it parked. Good job by red. 1 versus 2. They took care of those 2. Match number 42 coming up here. Again, making our way to match 48. Guys, if you're ranked in the top 8, you got to get your team list ready.